Okay, so what I'm doing now, I just want to wrap it up. We're using a FireWire hard drive to back up the machine. Why are we using FireWire hard drive? Because it is powered separately and it doesn't have all the issues. Doesn't have all the issues that USB drives have, including that they cannot handle the load and they crash. So what you see here is backing up the system to a FireWire hard drive that is called Drive E, and you can see Rush 1 and Rush folders that are writing to it. So in the next class we can empty especially Rush 1 that contains relatively large files and make sure that we have enough space, because right now when we go to my computer we may find out that we are running out of space on Drive C, for example. So for example, right now Drive C has only 6 gig free. In contrast, Drive E has got 1.2 terabyte free. So we are trying to clean all the media out of Drive C and move it all to Drive E. Okay, for this purpose we want to find out one more directory. Maybe on the root directory we have some more media that hasn't been copied yet, and in that event we will start a new session and we will cut that and paste it into Drive E also. That way we'll make more space available on Drive C. So we're going to open another instance of Drive C. Go to Explore, go to Drive C. First of all, look on the desktop and see if there is any other files on the desktop that we haven't cleared yet. Doesn't seem like we have any files there. So we're going to go to the C drive and see if there are any files in C on the root of C that we can remove. Go into the asset directory, open it, open. We have a couple of folders there. Let's copy the whole asset directory. Let's see how large it is and what's inside. Open. There are a bunch of files in here. Go back and open the other one. Open. Okay, a couple of more files here. So what we are going to do is we will copy it from the C drive, cut it from C and paste it on E, and see how much space we will clear from there. The answer is 3.5 gig, which is a pretty good size. Now we have to make sure that we don't have the same folder in E, so let's open up E and see if we have an asset directory on E, which we do. So in that case we will rename this asset with today's date, rename, and we'll change it to asset underbar /12 -210 underbar MON underbar 11 p.m. Enter that and now cut it off of C, cut, and paste it onto E, edit, paste. So 13 minutes remaining. That will give us exactly enough time to pack up everything and get rolling. So now we have 3 copies going concurrently. The rush 1, rush, and asset. If it finishes on time, we will then go back and erase it or clean the original, and if not, we will just let it go until next time. Okay, so this is it for now.